Hey guys and gals, hope you're all doing good today. So my refrigerator started to run about 80% of the time and made a little bit of a whistling noise while the fan was running, so I knew what that meant. And I admit I have neglected it, cleaning those coils, because I just hate to do it. If you've got coils on the bottom like I do, you can't really get to it good with a vacuum, which means you have to use compressed air. And when you do that, you guys that have done it know, no matter how hard you try, you spend 5 minutes cleaning your coils and 2 hours cleaning your kitchen and any adjoining rooms, because you're blowing dust on lint and everything all over the place, little fuzzies. So I went online, as I always do. I post reviews online of some of my equipment, and I do reviews on motorcycles, and I've got, this is on my playlist, I've got another one for animals. I do trail camera videos and that, so check that out if you like. But anyway, I always go online to check out how guys are doing it, and it's the same thing. Everybody's using the same technique, and no matter what, you get stuff dirty. So I thought, man, there's just got to be a better way. If I could find a better way, I'd do it once a year or whatever. So, okay, I started thinking about it, and believe it or not, in just a few minutes it came to me. I guess I should probably show you the fuzzies and dirt and stuff that's underneath this thing. You can't see in there good, so if you could see back further like I can, you would see towards the back it is pretty terrible. So anyway, I'm just going to show you what I'm doing here. I've already got it built. I keep a bunch of boxes around in case I sell something on eBay that I don't need anymore. Then I have boxes, right, that I can ship in. And I thought, if I can't find a box the right size, I'll just make one. No big deal. Get the box cutter out and make one. Here was my idea. Now, fortunately, I have a shop vac right there. You can use a house vacuum, it doesn't matter. So I got one of my boxes, and I had one that actually fits pretty darn good. This here is the flap, and I've got it up, and I just taped it here. I put this flap over the side, taped this hole, and if you've got decent vacuum, you don't have to get crazy with this, I don't think. I didn't tape any of this. I just taped around here where there's the cord, and then over here I taped it up. And here's the water coming in for the ice maker and all that. And then I just cut a hole in this box. I cut it a little small, so I would have to force, the hose in there to create kind of an airtight gap. So I'm going to use my vacuum to create a vacuum, which I've already turned it on. I went around to the front, and yeah, it's sucking the stuff to the back. So now I'm going to use my compressed air in the front with my vacuum on, and hopefully I will have little or no dust coming out of this thing. If this works, I'm just going to keep this box. Then every 6 months or a year, I'll do the same thing, and it just will take nothing to do it. Okay, you can see that vacuum's, I'm all the way at the front, the vacuum's at the back, and it's trying to suck that stuff back to it without putting even air on it. Now I'm starting off easy with the, I'm not really nailing it, I'm not putting a bunch of air to it, because I want to get the bulk of it off first. And then when I get the bulk of it off, I'll give a whole, I'm running about 140 PSI. So it just occurred to me that some of you guys may be thinking, oh, well, yeah, that's all fair and good is if you've got an air compressor. Those little cans of compressed air probably is not going to get the job done for you. But if you don't have an air compressor, you can consider going out and buying an air tank, an air bomb. You can pump these things up to 120 PSI. And I think this is a 10-gallon. Even it is enough that plenty to blow out those coils. And I think you can probably find these for around 40 bucks still. Maybe not, since everything's gone up, maybe 50 bucks. Anyway, just thought I'd mention it. Might be worth the investment. Oh my God, you guys. That seriously did not even take 2 minutes. That's totally impressive. However, I want to show you where I screwed up so you guys could do it a little different than I did. Here's what I got. There's a ball of crap there. Here's by my refrigerator. It blew stuff out the side, probably 3 or 4 feet. Next time I'll run a piece of tape on the sides from there to there, and that will eliminate this. But it's going to take me about 3 minutes to clean this up. Alright guys, I just happened to think I wanted to show you guys this. I don't like brooming my garage or my pole barn. In fact, I never do it because that just raises so much dust it gets all over everything. But years ago I came up with this idea. This goes on my shop vac. It's actually my, this one was primarily supposed to be used to, I think, suck water up off the floor. But anyway, I just put some little wheels on it. I bought it Menards. They're drawer wheels for sliding drawers, you know, for like your cabinets. I just picked up a couple of those, drilled holes in the end, and they just keep this just enough off the floor that you can roll it on like concrete and that. And you can use it to vacuum stuff up like this mess I made, because it never occurred to me to tape, again, alongside the bottom of the fridge. Well, check this out. Yeah, man. Ladies, how quick are we going to be done with this? Again, get a set of drawer wheels, $4 or $5, bolt them on there, and you're done. Or just use your house vac, but I use this because I use it in my pole barn and in my garage to clean messes up. Here's the box. Virtually nothing behind the box, you know, in the direction I was putting the forcing air into, compressed air. Here's the other side of the fridge, so again, it's not as bad, but again, I would just run a piece of tape, take 10 seconds from there to there. And that's the cleanest I've ever had my coils. Here's the shop vac. Everything's cool there. Yeah, man. I'm just going to keep this box. Then when I think about it, every 6 months or a year, I'll just do this. Take me 10 minutes, if that, and I'm done. Man, I hope this helps some of you guys, because doing it any other way is just, you guys know if you've done it, it just makes a wreck. I mean, you got to totally clean your kitchen and everything else. So, hope you liked it. Hope it was helpful. Please comment. Check out my playlist, animals, tractors and equipment, and motorcycles. I do reviews and also have some pretty neat animal videos on there. So check it out. If you like it, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and until next time, thanks for watching.